Jupiter, blasting out of the universe. Need to loosen up, but deep in my pursuit of the cat that. Am I cool enough? No, probably not, but still moving up. That's a money verb while sitting at the computer, and yeah. Mission moves along. Gonna make it easy for them all to come and get involved. Station nation been going up. Volume isn't my middle name, still see me in that order book. Need to learn to trade the patience, and maybe then you'll start to cook. But still, I swear I'm always chasing, I'm dumb as fuck, but don't blow it up. Jupiter, blasting out of the universe. Need to loosen up, but deep in my pursuit of the cat that. Am I cool enough? No, probably not, but still moving up. That's a money verb while sitting at the computer, and yeah.
Halo guys, selamat malam semuanya. Welcome to the podcast yang keempat. Nggak berasa kita udah jalan keempat ini guys. Cepat banget ya waktu berjalan. Jadi sebelum kita mulai, gue mau nanya nih, gimana kabar kalian pada malam hari ini? Semoga sehat-sehat semua ya. Dan ya di kondisi kayak sekarang ini paling benar itu jaga kesehatan. Alright, jadi hari ini kita bakal bahas apa aja sih? Jadi hari ini kita bakal bahas yang pertama nih, karena kebetulan ini hari Senin. Jadi nanti kita bakal bahas weekly recap ya. Jadi apa yang terjadi seminggu belakangan di Jupiverse. Jadi kita bakal bahas satu-satu. Dan yang kedua kita bakal ngobrol-ngobrol bareng sama Ninja Nova. Siapa sih dia? Jadi dia ini adalah ketua dari SNS.sol untuk regional APAC, Asia dan Pasifik. Jadi kalau kalian mungkin pernah sekebat ngelihat itu ada domain.sol gitu. Jadi kan itu lumayan kalau kalian tuh pernah lihat teman kalian mungkin atau kalian sendiri mungkin yang punya domain, jadi misalnya nama kalian .sol gitu. Nah, itu apa sih? Jadi kita bakal bahas juga sama dia gitu. Jadi kita bakal ngobrol-ngobrol lebih dalam sama dia. Jadi kenapa sih kita harus punya? Kok banyak sih? Sekarang banyak banget orang yang punya domain sendiri gitu kan. Terus benefitnya apa buat kita? Nanti bakal kita bahas juga in detail sama dia. Oh ya, dan juga dari dia nih guys, ada bocoran sedikit lah. Jadi nanti dari SNS bakal ada 3 domain gratis untuk kalian yang nonton sampai habis. Lumayan kan, in this economy kalian dapat domain .sol gratis. Jadi misalnya nama kalian fulan.sol, nah itu kan lumayan tuh gratis untuk buat 3 orang, bukan buat 1 orang aja. Jadi pasti nonton sampai selesai karena nanti kisi-kisinya ada di dalam podcast itu ya. Jadi kalian kalau mau domain gratis ini, jadi tonton sampai selesai. Oke, jadi sekarang kita masuk ke weekly recap yang pertama. Nah, insiden drift. Jadi kalau kalian tahu nih, seminggu belakangan kemarin tuh ada ya, insiden yang cukup mencengangkan ya di jaringan Solana. Jadi drift itu salah satu protokol DeFi di jaringan Solana itu terkena hack. Jadi hack ya, ini udah apa sih bisa dibilang tuh social engineering ya selama 6 bulan. Dan ratusan juta dolar muap gitu aja dari drift. Nah, kalian sebagai user DeFi, apalagi di jaringan Solana kan was-was. Apalagi kalian yang naruh aset kalian di Jupiter Land gitu. Ini aman kan kira-kira ke depan? Apa perlu buat tarik aja sekarang ya, jadi supaya lebih aman gitu. Tenang aja guys, kemarin Jupiter udah ngasih announcement, pengumuman buat para user dari Jupiter Land. Kalau Jupiter Land ini aman. Kenapa? Karena Jupiter Land ini kemarin ngasih pengumuman kalau semua upgrade program itu harus disetujui dari 4 orang yang harus sign, dari 7 orang. Jadi dari 7 orang ini 4 orang harus sign. Kalau nggak bakal bisa jalan program. Dan juga itu di time lock ya, selama 12 jam. Jadi nggak dadakan-dadakan gitu. Yang kedua untuk upgrade non program itu harus ada persetujuan dari 6 dari 10 orang. Jadi dari 10 orang tuh harus 6 yang setuju. Dan kedua, setiap transaksi mesti sign itu wajib dicek minimal 3 kali oleh tim Jupiter untuk sebelum di-approve. Jadi kalau kalian kalau bisa dianggap nih detail dan teliti banget lah. Jadi karena bisa dibilang Jupiter Land itu top priority-nya adalah safety ya, keamanan. Jadi kalau kalian naruh uang naruh aset apapun itu di Jupiter Land, insya Allah aman. Karena udah di tahunan juga udah di apa ya di audit ya oleh tim audit yang terkenal gitu. Jadi bisa dibilang aman guys, dan mudah-mudahan aman terus ya guys ya. Karena gue juga naruh aset di situ cukup lumayan banyak. Jadi kalau ini agak deg-degan juga, tapi setelah baca announcement dari Jupiter Land, lega rasanya. Terus yang kedua, kalau kemarin kalian lihat tuh ada promo doubling reward. Jadi reward dari Jupiter Global itu naik 2 kali selama durasi 1 minggu kemarin. Jadi kalau sebelumnya kalian referalin orang, kalian bakal dapat $25 ya. Nah, untuk promo kemarin itu ada apa? Event ya, bisa dibilang kita misalnya event kemarin tuh double XP itu jadi 50, dari 25 jadi 50. Dan teman kalian yang tadinya dapat 100 bisa dapat 200. Ya cuman kan untuk regional Indonesia masih belum kebuka ya guys ya. Jadi mungkin orang-orang Indonesia KOL Indonesia itu kurang untuk soundingnya. Tapi nggak apa-apa karena itu untuk regional Indonesia itu masih dalam tahap di finalisasi guys. Jadi ya bisa dibilang soon lah, sebentar lagi Jupiter Land bakal bisa dipakai di Indonesia. Jadi bayangin kalau kalian mau belanja gitu kan, mau bayar-bayar gitu, misal di Indo, di Alfa atau di coffee shop atau di restoran gitu, kalian nggak perlu convert USDC kalian lagi ke rupiah, jadi tinggal bayar aja gitu di tempat. Dan itu ditambah ada cashback ya, mulai dari 4% sampai 10%. Itu cashbacknya permanen ya guys ya. Maksudnya referral dari hasil cashback dari hasil referral itu permanen selama-lamanya. Jadi kalau selama merchant itu punya logo Visa, kalian bisa bayar sih. Ya kita tunggu aja lah, sebenarnya secepat mungkin Jupiter Global bisa dipakai di Indonesia. Terus Overbook private beta udah live. Jadi kalau kalian kemarin order, maksudnya regis untuk open betanya, coba deh cek apakah kalian yang salah satu orang yang diterima yang di accept untuk nyobain fitur Jupiter Overbook. Soalnya kalau gua sendiri sih gagal ya, nggak masuk list ya. Jadi ya mungkin harus nunggu dulu sampai private beta itu selesai. Nah, jadi nanti kalau kalian cek, coba kalian buka websitenya Jupiter Overbook, cek kalau kalian udah regis sebelumnya, apakah kalian di accept. Kalau di accept ya congratulations. Jadi kalian udah bisa pakai fitur-fitur yang ada di dalam Jupiter Overbook. Untuk websitenya, kalau kalian bisa ketik nanti nama websitenya itu overbook.jup.ag. Nanti bisa lah nanti di sama Minjup itu diketikin di kolom komentar. Nah, selanjutnya kalau kalian pakai Jupiter Wallet ya, Jupiter Wallet atau Jupiter Extension itu, kalian pasti notice ada fitur baru, fitur hover namanya. Jadi kalau kalian lagi buka X atau kalian lagi browsing di website ataupun misal di Google, kalau muncul ada ticker gitu, karena misalnya ticker BTC atau Solana gitu, atau mungkin Tesla atau apa, nah itu kalian tinggal arahin aja mouse kalian ke ticker tersebut. Jadi kalau setelah kalian arahin, klik, nanti kalian bisa lihat tuh semua chartnya gimana, pergerakannya gimana, terus kalian bisa langsung beli juga gitu, langsung share. Misalnya kalian lagi baca-baca nih, oh ternyata BTC lagi turun nih, beli deh langsung klik aja. Jadi kalian nggak perlu ke klik-klik atau langsung ke website Jupiter, langsung klik aja di situ. Jadi nanti langsung swap pakai Jupiter Wallet. Jadi selain Jupiter Wallet itu ada fitur auto approval atau solve claim, ngecek posisi DeFi, terus dan mobile synchronize juga. Nah sekarang ada fitur tambahannya yaitu hover. Jadi jadi hover ticker. Nah, selanjutnya itu Sui. Woi, siapa nih Sui Max ini? Selamat, congratulations ya buat Sui Max sih. Jadi Sui itu sekarang udah live ya di Solana. Dan kalian udah bisa langsung swap langsung di Jupiter. Jadi kan kalau kalian Sui Max sih, kalian bisa pindahin aset kalian atau kalian bisa beli langsung pakai Jupiter Mobile, atau Jupiter Wallet, taruh deh. Jadi sekarang Jupiter Mobile kalian atau Jupiter Wallet kalian tuh udah ada Sui-nya sekarang. Jadi bisa dibilang oh apa ya, welcome to the family Sui Maxi. Banyak nih teman-teman gua juga Sui Maxi nih. Shout out buat mereka. Welcome to the family. Jadi kalian bisa beli Sui, jual Sui, bikin LP Sui pun bisa sekarang di Solana. Bisa pakai Meteora dan transaksinya bisa pakai Jupiter. Mau itu wallet maupun Jupiter Mobile. Nah, sekarang selanjutnya kita punya update-update dari produk Jupiter, guys. Yang pertama Jupiter Land. Jupiter Land itu udah 10.000 followersnya, wih, congratulations. Padahal baru ya, belum setahun ya Jupiter Land launching udah 10.000. Jupiter Indonesia udah setahun lebih masih 5.200-an. Ya mudah-mudahan cepat lah kita nyusul gitu ya guys ya. 10.000, amin, amin. Terus yang kedua, JUICE token sudah integrated di routing Jupiter. Jadi kalau kalian supply JIP USD, nanti kalian kan dapat tuh token JUICE namanya. Nah, itu sudah integrated ke routing Jupiter. Nah, itu tokennya kalau kalian hold aja itu naik terus, guys. Ya sekitar 4,5% setahun lah. Apalagi kalau kalian loopingin pakai Jupiter Multiply, itu fitur yang ada di Jupiter Line, tab Multiply, itu kalian bisa dapat 10-15% setahun kalau kalian loopingin. Tapi kalau kalian looping, dilihat-lihat dulu lah LTV kalian gitu. Jangan terlalu mepet juga. Kedua, pakai uang yang enggak, ya mungkin untuk tahun depan kalian nggak bakal tarik gitu. Nah, itu baik, itu bagus tuh. Jangan pakai uang yang kalian tiba-tiba bisa kalian tarik, nah, nanti bingung sendiri buat nyabutnya. Terus yang penting jaga LTV-nya, yang penting safe, jangan terlalu tinggi leverage-nya. Kedua, pakai uang yang kalian masih lama lah untuk nariknya gitu. Tapi kalau kalian cuman pakai earn, masukin doang, nah itu bisa tarik kapan aja, gampang banget sih. Nah, dengan earn aja itu udah 4,5% per tahun ya APR-nya. Lumayan kan, di ekonomi gitu. Terus kalau kalian punya sol juga, kalian bisa supply. Jadi nanti kalau misalnya solnya turun, udah di harga yang misalnya kira-kira, wah kalian tahu ini di bottomnya nih. Kalian bisa borrow USD. Terus borrow USD, swap jadi sol, masukin lagi. Nah itu kalau bisa dibilang itu namanya long, kalau di DeFi. Kalau short itu kebalikannya. Gitu. Jadi kalian supply uang, pinjem sol, solnya swap jadi uang, masukin lagi. Jadi kalau solnya turun, kalian bayar lebih murah. Kalau long, kalau solnya naik, utang kalian lebih sedikit. Terus yang kedua, kita ada Juve Devrel. Nah, itu Juve Devrel, kemarin announcement ada upgrade ke new developer platform. Terus yang ketiga, Jupiter Mobile ya, tadi yang seperti yang gue bilang ya, ada update hover token, stiker, fitur baru ya dari Jupiter Mobile. Jadi Jupiter Mobile dan Jupiter Wallet sama. Kalau Jupiter Mobile itu mobile, kalau wallet ya di extension. Terus Jupiter Portfolio, nah itu Jupiter Portfolio ada update UX improvement dan fitur tracking DeFi position. Jadi kalau kalian buka jup.ag/portfolio itu udah ada update UX ya. Dan ada fitur tracking DeFi position juga. Kalau nggak mau repot, langsung buka aja di Jupiter Mobile sih, udah semua tuh integrasi sih. Jadi, kalian nggak perlu repot-repot lagi buka Jupiter Mobile, lihat posisi DeFi kalian, langsung kelihatan semua. Alright. Nah, selanjutnya kita bakal ngobrol sama Ninja nih guys. Nah, nanti yang lead bakalan Mas Sabit. Jadi kalau kalian tadi kan gue bilang ya, kalau kalian mau dapat domain sol gratis, misalnya nama kalian .sol gitu. Tonton deh sampai selesai. Kalau tonton sampai selesai bareng Ninja dan Mas Abid, nanti kisi-kisinya di sana. Oke, kalau gitu kita alihkan ke Mas Abid. Oke, Mas Abid, silakan Mas Abid.
Oke, ya, selamat malam semuanya. Terima kasih banyak. So, saya Sabit dan malam ini kita udah sama Ned, atau kalau di X atau di Twitter dia pakai nama Ninja Nova. Okay, she's here and Ned is the Epic Growth Lead for SNS.sol. Okay, so yeah, welcome Ned. Thank you for joining our event, our podcast. Can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
Yes, thank you, Sabi, and also thank you, Chub Indonesia team. Thank you so much for having me here today, and I'll be super, excited and meanwhile super nervous about doing a recording. Yeah, but I'm right now leading the APEC growth for SNS, and basically, I'm the one who handle the whole Asia area like events, like partnership, BD, community, whatever, anything that as long as we can bring Doxo and SNS to more people. This is our vision and our goal in the past year and also the upcoming year. So yeah, and today I'll try to share some alpha or something. I'll also showcase one of our new features of the Doxo domain. So yep.
Yeah, alright. And for those who are not familiar, kalau belum tahu APAC tuh apa sih? APAC tuh maksudnya Asia Pasifik ya. Jadi Net ini membawahi negara-negara yang ada di Asia Pasifik kayak Cina, Jepang, India, Southeast Asia ya, Indonesia gitu. Okay, so I think let's just get on, and you can share your screen and tell us. So what is SNS? What is .sol?
Yes, of course. Here we go. So, the topic that I bring here today is our very standard one. So this one's imagined from your name to the whole network of Sona ecosystem. So how Doxo domain can make your life easier, especially when you need to interact on chain like every single day. So today we talked about around this the product and also different features. So you can see here, usually if you are a crypto newbie, I believe you must have a hard time to manage your wallet address and also your private key, right? Because at first you can only see a long complex address which you cannot read it. You don't understand. You don't know what that is. So the reason why Doxo is here because we want to bring the digital identity into the Web3 space and make sure our user and all the crypto user can be easier to manage their wallet address so that they can send and receive money. And of course, you can imagine more and more utility on the AI agent track right now, and also the privacy, GameFi or social, etc. So this was very interesting. You can see the video on your right hand side. Um, I put a Japanese domain as the demo. So so maybe I don't think like many people knows about that. So usually the people will go to our website and register a English character domain. Some of them will register with the Chinese name, no matter it's traditional Chinese or simplified Chinese. But actually, you can also register with emoji, with Japanese, and also Korean. And so when right now, the recent trend of Pokemon is very, very hot in the world. So many people will register the Pokemon name in Japanese for their domain. So this is a very interesting trend, I think. But again, you can see from this short video, when for example, you're using Phantom Wallet or of course, Chip Mobile, Jupiter Wallet, you can just type your Dosso domain, and then you can just send the money, because you will never enter a wrong email address. So same user behavior, very easy to understand. So basically, our solution is for a project, you can make SNS as your identity infrastructure layer, for you to build a more advanced community membership system, or more utility for your internal team to manage on the operation side. The second will be better UX, just like using email, sending message, very simple. And the third one will be how to add your personality to your project. You can register very crazy name for your project, as long as you can think about it. So can be more creative on that one. And then for now, it's just some numbers for reference. Because we are one of the OG project in the Solana ecosystem, is almost 5 years. We already, have so many registered Docker domain in our ecosystem. So right now it's near 500,000, 270K wallet holders, and we already partnered with over 160 different projects, products, tool in the ecosystem. So our vision, again, we want to become the standard of the Web3 identity on the Solana ecosystem. So why Doxo matters? Payment, Chip Mobile. So this one, I just demonstrate. I send Jupe token to my Ninja Nova Doxo on the Chip Mobile. So you can see I just need to type my name, and then one click, a few seconds, just send away. So this one is the lowest hanging fruit for no matter user or new project to understand SNS, because we are doing a human readable address for everyone to understand the very, very basic logic about the product. And the second, you can use the Dosso domain to prevent your human mistake and also stay away from scammer. Because last year, actually not last year, I think it's 2024. Right? So in US, someone just sent around 2 million US dollar stablecoin to a poisoned address. So basically, we usually just cross check the first 4 characters and the end 4 characters, but we will never double check like 200 times in the central, right, the middle characters. So that's the reason why that guy will got scammed. Because he believed, this address must be the one I usually interact with, but actually not. The scammer just did a wallet address poisoning to that address. So 2 million just gone. So very painful lesson. But so this one's also the reason why Doxo can save your life from the scammer. And then the second use case, this one I will also kind of showcase a bit of the video. It's called Doxo Dockside. This is our very latest new features. So you can see, you can one click to generate your own portfolio website using your Doxo domain. So of course, the one you can see from the video is our default version. But if imagine today you are a designer, you will have your own creator portfolio. Then you want to make a very decent website, but Meanwhile, you want to use your domain name to for for this website, right? We before we launch these features, we we can only connect with the website, and also the domain can only resolve it with the Brave browser. But right now, if I have my ninjanova.so.site, you can just use Google Chrome, Safari browser, or Microsoft Edge. You can just type the .so.site away on the yeah. So can lead to any kind of website that you build. So this one would be I think our community is quite excited about these new features. Because they want to showcase, all of my NFT collections, like how rich I am and this and that. So yeah, so we want to bring the Web3, Web2 experience, but with your Web3 ownership. Try to bridge the gap. Make sure more people can enjoy the Dosso domain with more use cases. And then community management. Sabi, I believe you remember we have a Tube Indo.so domain, and then we make it a subdomain registrar. So basically, if you are a new member of Tube Indonesia, please go to the subdomain registrar and claim your own subdomain. So what you can do with the subdomain, of course, first one, same functionality to a parent domain. You can just use this bound with any of your Solana wallet address. So you can use that subdomain to receive money from your friend. And the second one, you can make it a membership identity recognition. If you have a project, if you have a community, you want to issue a subdomain for him or for her as a membership card to record the event attendance or etc. So you can just make use of it. And the third one would be the identity management. Very easy to understand. Just increase your project on-chain presence. All right. Charity program. J4J Vibes is also one of a very one of the small project launched on Chip Studio last year. So what they did is they use the domain registrar to collect funds, and then they do a charity. They donate the money to a Malaysian local cat shelter. So you can see the screenshot here, and what the A stock so is it was a like also charity campaign initial by Mr. Beast. We want to save help the village on the water supply thing, and another one is the US organization. So basically, one pain point in a traditional charity ecosystem, sorry, not ecosystem, like charity industry, is if today I donate $100 to this ABC organization, but I would never know how many percentage that go to the community, go to the user, or like how much that go to the administration office, for example. So we want to leverage the blockchain technology and also the Dosso domain to make it more transparent, more accountability, and also make all this project or all these organizations have lower technical barriers, so that they can easily to do their charity campaign without too many noise and too many complaints from the community. So extend the Dosso utility to Web2 universal browser compatibility is exactly the Dosso site doing right now. native email support. Right now with the .so.site domain, you can do a very strong native email support with, for example, your Proton Mail or Google Workspace. And then, manage your DNS record on chain, a very DNS nature, very traditional Web2 domain nature.
In this video, we'll show.
Oh, so this one is a very quick walkthrough of our new.
In this video, we'll show you how to deploy your SNS domain on Vercel in just a few steps. First, navigate to Domains. Choose Add Domain or edit an existing one. Enter your SNS domain and click Save. You'll now see a message that says Verification Needed. Next, open the SNS dashboard and go to Configure for your domain. Start by adding the TXT record provided by Vercel. This verifies domain ownership. After that, add the required A record pointing to Vercel's IP address. Save the changes. Now return to Vercel and refresh the domain page. Once DNS propagates, the status will update to verified and active. Open a new browser tab and type the domain directly into the address bar. You'll see your site load successfully.
So this one is kudos to our intern, Queenie. Because when we before we launched the .so.site, we need a technical file to work through to help our user like how to set the DNS record and how to set this and that, a very technical function or technical record or something. So we just had our intern to do that. And then just some showcase our photos. We have a very big community around the world. So some pictures here is from Malaysia, some pictures here from US, from New York, and also from Dubai, Singapore. So we want to expand more in no matter Asia, US, EU, or global. And we believe making it more easy for user to use. Making .so domains literally for every single one. When they enter the Solana ecosystem, it will be the best for us to expand and make it a must-have tool for every Solana user. And then this one some screenshot showcase to the audience here. Like what can you do to register a .so domain in 3 steps? You can pay with USDC. You can also pay with our token. Then you will get 5% off. And then you can use Japanese katakana if you love Japanese culture, anime culture. So and the last one would be our .so domain giveaway. Here, please use your mobile to scan the QR code, then you will get your voucher. Here, as I remember correctly, we offer 10 exclusive voucher for the distributor Indonesia community. As a welcome gift. I mean, a thank you gift for having me here today. So feel free to drop me any questions if you
All right. Wow. Thank you so much, Ned, for the presentation. And guys, nih kalau ada yang mau coba bikin domain .sol, itu bisa scan QR ini dan nanti kalian akan dapat diskon. They'll get discount, right?
Correct. And of course, I think we can also do around free domain waffle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you guys can see like what you're gonna do with the waffle. I don't know, but I would definitely give away that as a gift for the community.
Yeah. For sure,
Yeah.
for sure. We definitely can make a post or tweet something about it. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So you were sharing there are some use cases from the
Mm.
.sol domain. Okay. So it's not just about sending funds or tokens safely. Okay.
Mm.
But there are other use cases like the charity, and it can be your online presence also. Yeah. Like, is there any use case that the community come up with, like like they come up with something and then they share it with you guys?
Actually, yes. I think
Mm,
the most recent one would be about the Asian identity.
okay. Okay.
Because like everyone, even auntie, uncle
Yeah.
out there, they're also learning how to create their own AI agent, right?
Mm,
So in especially in Web3, uh, there are so many like scam wallet address. I know
mhm,
sometimes we can see the label, the tag on, for example, so scan, right? We
mm,
know that wallet is a have a very very bad history.
mm,
Um, but it started making the people think, oh, how can we trust that wallet? How can we
mhm,
trust that agent?
mhm,
Uh, because we don't have very like solid solution right now for people to identify which one is good, which one is bad. So we started to think about, oh, what if the Duster domain can kind of resolve this problem? We can
mm,
bridge, or we can fill the gap between Asian A and also Asian B.
mm,
They can interact with each other, but before that, how can we um, kind of KYC verify with the past on-chain transaction, or how can we verify by like for example any D app interaction in the past,
mm,
etc. With ton of this data, we can tell another user that okay is safe to interact with, is already verified. You can check it on chain, whatever, just using this also domain
mm,
representing that agent. So I think that would be a very interesting idea so far,
mm, mm,
because right now you can tell the community is very be careful of their personal data, very be careful about their wallet.
yeah, yeah.
They very concerned about the privacy,
Mm,
but
mm,
based on the blockchain nature, we can never we will never think about the privacy,
mm,
because
mm,
I expose like every single thing on chain,
yeah,
very transparent. But
exactly.
yeah, so yes, exactly. So I think yeah, when people start to think about this, we are exploring the balance in
Mm,
between.
mm,
So that's a very interesting idea so far, and also RWA would be the second track that we are looking into right now.
mhm,
So I think I would close it with like no matter AI agent or
mhm,
RWA projects right now,
mhm,
um, we are also looking for a solution to um, to fill up the gap of the trust.
mm,
We how can we make sure we have a very trust layer underneath then to support all the interaction on chain. So that would be one of the narrative right now.
mm, mm. Okay, okay.
Mm,
Right. So another question that I have is that so people they can register domain, right? So it's just like any Web2 domain. As long as it's
mm,
not registered, then anyone can register anything. Okay.
correct.
Now, yeah. Can we also sell it back? Is there like a secondary market? Hmm.
Of course, of
Hmm.
course. I think I can also showcase
Hmm.
this one. Let me also share my screen here. Ay, ay, oh, I turned off my camera. Sorry, I clicked another button.
All good.
All right. So you can see my screen here.
Mhm.
So this is our website. Then you can see our new marketplace.
Yeah.
So actually, secondary market uh, for domain is not only on in Web3. So maybe some of your friends already have experience in trading Web2 domain. So .ai, .fun, .com, whatever. So with our marketplace, you can see there's a lot of listing with different domain. You can see the categories, like the new registration, new offers here, and the latest sales just completed in the market. Then you can also see different category. So I can introduce you, right? For me, I personally think the most popular categories will be Pokemon.
I
The
can see
Pokemon.
that.
So
I can see that. Yeah.
yeah, so you can see a total volume. Basically, the people love collecting this kind of the domain as the collectible item, and because you can web your domain into NFT. So you can, of course, you can do your sales here on our own marketplace, and of course, you can do the sales on, for example, Major Eden as well. So we kind of offer different options for the people to trade the domain and also flip the domain just like NFT. So and also one of the most expensive sales ever would be a diamond emoji doxo.
Wow.
That one costs almost $6,000.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I remember Gengar. Yeah.
Wow.
And this one. Oh, this one is also a Pokemon. The Pokemon. The activities I remember last time. Oh, 80 Soul. At that time, I remember Soul was still 100 something.
Yeah.
So we can tell there are so many valuable domain out there, but need to dig deep and do some of your research to find the best for your NFT flipping strategy, etc. So yep.
Yeah. I think it's a really interesting thing, because maybe some people they just know like Web3 crypto is about trading token, but there are these things also, like you can, some people can buy a domain and then they manage to resell it again, right?
Yep. Correct.
Yeah. And sometimes I will check on SNS. I will check some generic words or verbs, from Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah, and I can see that some words have been registered. So yeah,
Yes.
there is maybe, I don't know, an Indonesian whale somewhere out there have been collecting.
Yeah, I guess
Maybe,
so.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know too. But you know what? Indonesia is actually one of our top 10. It's also in our top 10 traffic
Mm,
as well.
mm,
Yeah, so
okay.
very interesting. It's so very powerful,
Mm,
because we have China, we have Indonesia, we have Japan, we have Korea,
mm,
and also Taiwan.
mm,
So it's a for Asian um area,
mm,
Asia country is a very
mm,
good result, good
mm,
performance one. So yes.
mm. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much, Nat, for your time and the
Yeah.
presentation and everything. Okay. Do you have any closing statement or anything you want to share with us before we finish?
Mm, Feel free to follow our Twitter. Just search SNS.
Mhm.
And also feel free to join our Discord, because we have right now we will have more and more campaigns in the futures. So
Mm,
you can join in and check with our OG. Our community is super friendly, and we are having we are doing a side track along with Colosseum. in
Okay.
April at
Okay.
Network School. So if today you want to build something in this very boring market condition, feel free. Our sidetrack is we have two themes in our sidetrack. One is Asian identity, just like what I just introduced. The second one would be social identity. Social identity you can just imagine as Web3 Google account.
Okay.
So you can utilize our open source SDK API to build something for you to plug and play into the whole ecosystem projects. So we want to encourage more builders, developers to contribute creative ideas during the hackathon. So feel free to follow our Twitter to get more details and information. Thank you.
Yes. And if anyone from Indonesia wants to, collaborate with SNS, they can also just follow you on Twitter and send you message, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to follow me, of course, welcome. Feel free. My my Twitter is Ninja Nova DOTSOL. Doxo. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for having me here again.
You're welcome, Ned. Our pleasure. Okay, thank you so much, Ned. Thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone. Okay,
much.
so
My
we're gonna
pleasure.
finish the sesi ini dan kita akan lanjut lagi ke Mas Alam. Yes, terima kasih.
Nah, gimana guys? Podcast kita malam hari ini guys, bareng sama Ninja. Full daging kan? Nah, kalau kalian nungguin tuh, tadi kan di awal gue udah bilang ya, kita bakal ada giveaway domain sol untuk kalian. Banyak untuk tiga domain sol untuk 3 orang pemenang. Nah, syaratnya apa aja sih untuk menangin domain ini? Domain sol dari SNS. Yang pertama, kalian harus follow SNS. Nah, kalian tinggal search aja SNS, sns.sol, nanti ketemu tuh akun SNS-nya, kalian follow. Kedua, kalian follow akun Jup Indonesia tentunya ya. Nah, selanjutnya kalian join Discord Jupiter dan Discord SNS-nya. Untuk link Discord SNS, kalian bisa cek di page-nya akun X-nya SNS ya. Nanti di situ ada linknya, kalian bisa klik join Discord-nya. Terus yang terakhir itu di kolom komentar kalian tulis kenapa kalian mau untuk mendapatkan atau ingin mendapatkan domain .sol ini. Kalian tulis di kolom komentar. Jadi pertama kalian follow, ya pasti yang nonton podcast malam hari ini mostly pasti follow akun Jupiter ya. Dan juga pasti mostly ini ikut atau ada di Discord-nya Jupiter. Tapi kalau mau elik giveaway ini, kalian harus follow juga akun SNS dan juga join Discord-nya. Nanti bakal dicek. Jadi kalau kalian nanti kan terus selanjutnya kalian komen di kolom komentar, nanti di mana kolom komentarnya di podcast ini kalian komen. Misalnya misalnya saya mau SNS Sol karena bla 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 bla. Nanti kalian tulis, nanti dicek. Misalnya kalian udah tulis nih, oh ternyata dia udah follow juga nih, udah join Discord, kalian eligible. Nanti diundi. Kayak kemarin nih, kayak yang tadi pagi kan, kita undi jersey, nanti kita undi nih. Sekarang pemenangnya 3, jadi lebih banyak gitu kan. Kalau yang podcast ketiga kan 1, sekarang 3. Lumayan guys, ini kalau kalian cek di website-nya tuh $10 ya, dan ini free gitu, dari SNS. Jadi kalian follow, join Discord, sama komen. Nanti kita bakal undi. Terus kalau kalian menang, nanti Minju bakal DM kalian, terus kalian tulis deh domain sol apa yang kalian mau. Dan minimal harus 5 karakter guys ya. Jadi domain solnya minimal at least 5 karakter. Bisa huruf angka, bisa tulisan aksara Jepang, Cina atau apapun. Yang penting 5 karakter. Jadi begitu aja guys untuk cara eligible giveaway dari SNS.sol. Lumayan tuh ada 3 dan mudah-mudahan kalian menang. Karena tadi baca komenan di postingan nggak menang ya, mudah-mudahan ini menang, kalian menang. Jadi gitu aja guys untuk podcast pada malam hari ini. Terima kasih untuk kalian yang sudah nonton sampai habis dan sampai ketemu di podcast selanjutnya. Karena podcast selanjutnya bintang tamunya spesial nih guys, orang Indo. Sekarang kita balik lagi ke orang Indonesia. Kalau kalian penasaran siapa bintang tamunya, nanti nonton aja di podcast kelima kita. Oke guys, sampai selamat malam. Terima kasih sudah menonton podcast ini. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah-salah kata atau pengucapan apapun itu. Sampai ketemu di podcast selanjutnya.